ang birthday mo ay this August,
Ay, opo.
ilan taon ka na?
55.
55!
Proud.
Magkaedad tayo I'm 55.
Kailan birthday?
And we
August
have
ka din, di ba?
November.
November.
Oh, hindi
Ah,
tayo magka-birthday. So, because birthday mo, right? Eto, ayan. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
Oh.
Kasi umabot ako ng birthday ko. Yung 2026 na sinasabi na hindi ako aabot, biruin mo ilang buwan na, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 8 months! At aabot pa ako